One sunny morning, Roz hopped to the forest to visit her friend, Freddy the frog. Roz asked, "Freddy, have you seen my missing feather?" Freddy shook his head. "I'm sorry, Roz. I haven't seen anything." Roz felt sad. But she didn't give up. She asked the birds, the squirrels, and even the wise old tortoise. No one had seen her feather. Just as Roz was about to go home, she heard a rustling in the bushes. Out popped a small bird with a shiny, beautiful feather. "Is this your feather?" Roz it asked. Roz's eyes widened. "Yes. That's my feather," she exclaimed. "Thank you so much," she said, hugging the little bird. The little bird flew away, and Roz returned home, feeling happy and grateful. She realized that sometimes, the answers we seek are closer than we think. From that day forward, Roz used her special gift to help her friends in the forest. She reminded them to be patient and never give up, for sometimes, the answers we seek are just around the corner. And so, Roz became a beacon of hope and kindness in her forest, making the lives of her friends brighter, one day at a time. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.